Because they're in fifth grade next year. They're going to school, so we're seeing what it's like to go on high school.
What bus is that?
1303. I don't know.
That is 1303.
Yeah, that is 1303. I just told you. I just told you.